begins! I'm Ravi the Parrot, and today we're learning shapes. Before we start, let's flap our wings like parrots. Flap, flap, flap. Great job! Now, let's dive into our first shape. This is a circle, round like the sun in the sky. Can you find something round around you? Maybe a ball or a clock? Circle, circle, circle. Let's say it 3 times together. A square has 4 equal sides, like a window or a picture frame. Let's count the sides together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you spot something square in your room? A triangle has 3 sides, just like a slice of yummy pizza. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3 sides. Say it with me. Triangle, triangle, triangle. A rectangle looks like a square but longer, like a door or a book. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like a square. What rectangles can you find around you? A star has 5 points, shining bright in the night sky. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Say it with me. Star, star, star. Thanks for learning shapes with me. Which shape is your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and learning adventures. Bye for now.